Struggling with dry, unmanageable hair that just won't cooperate? Imagine restoring softness and bounce in just 5 minutes. Moroccanoil's deep conditioning mask is designed specifically for medium to thick dry hair, delivering rich hydration and improved texture fast. What makes this mask stand out? It's infused with antioxidant-packed argan oil, a time-tested ingredient known for its vitamins and essential fatty acids. This rare oil deeply nourishes your hair, enhancing elasticity and taming static without any heat needed. Users consistently praise how it transforms their hair, making curls more manageable and adding natural body, even for fine, stubborn strands. Using the mask is simple. Apply it to towel-dried hair, comb through to distribute evenly, then leave it on for 5 to 7 minutes before rinsing. Just 1 to 2 treatments a week can make a noticeable difference in softness and shine. Plus, the signature Moroccanoil scent, a warm blend of spicy amber, musk, and sweet florals, turns your hair care routine into a small moment of luxury. If you're tired of battling dry, frizzy hair and want a quick, effective solution, this mask is worth a look. Moroccanoil isn't just about great products. They're committed to sustainability and giving back, so your beauty routine can feel good inside and out. Try it when you're ready to experience what real nourishment feels like.